Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable or allow Steam networking to share IP address Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the Steam application. Now let's simply move along the topic. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the left hand side. That is a button like this called as Steam. Click on it right now. Now from here, all you guys need to do is go to settings, simply click on it. And guys, this is it. This is the thing that we want. Simply scroll down from this section to this thing called as in-game. Click on it. Now from here, do note that there are lots of options. But right now, all you guys need to do is simply scroll down to the very bottom. And right here, you can see something called as Steam networking. Do note that allow games using Steam networking to share your IP address for a faster connection. Well, it's up to you. Currently, as you can see, it is disabled. Select whatever you wish. That's friends only, never or always. It's up to you. That is it, guys. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.